This is barbed wire. It was invented in 1874 to keep cows in a paddock. 40 years later, it strung the deadliest battlefields in human history. How does a cattle fence end up doing that? Before the world could fight an industrial war, it needed an industrial revolution. So today, we rewind further back than usual. It began in Britain around 1750. Muscle power out, machine power in. One steam engine did the work of 100 horses. Factories replaced workshops. Steel replaced wood, and railways shrank whole countries, and for the first time in history, ordinary things got cheap. It was the biggest change since farming. But its first factory workers included children on 12-hour shifts. Here's the thing. Almost none of it was designed for war, but every invention had a shadow, and four led straight to 1914. Shadow 1. Mass production. A machine that can stamp 1,000,000 needles can stamp 1,000,000 bullets. War stopped being about how brave your army was and started being about how big your industry was. Shadow 2. Steel and steam. Steel mills built bridges, towers, and battleships. Hello again, Dreadnought. And railways built for passengers could deliver an entire army to a border, right on a timetable. Shadow 3. The scramble for stuff. Factories are hungry. Cotton, rubber, copper, coal, oil. So industrial nations went shopping for continents. That's the I in Maine. Imperialism. In a pith helmet. Shadow 4. The rivalry. For a century, Britain was the world's factory, comfortably number one. Then in 1871, Germany united, after beating France and taking Alsace-Lorraine. File that grudge away. Episode 1 needs it. The new Germany industrialized at terrifying speed, so Britain forced its goods to carry a warning label. It backfired. The label became a badge of quality. By 1900, Germany outproduced Britain in steel. Number 1 and number 2 now glared across the North Sea, counting each other's battleships. Sound familiar? Now add the people. Booming populations, railways to move them, telegraphs to summon them, and armies of millions. And Australia? The revolution built us into Britain's supply yard. Wool, wheat, and gold, hauled onto British steamships. By federation, in 1901, our economy and our identity were wired into industrial Britain, so Britain's war felt automatic. Every part of Episode 1's bomb rolled off these production lines. One nudge, and it's waiting in Sarajevo. The Industrial Revolution made World War I possible. Mass production armed it. Steel and rail moved it. Imperial hunger fueled it, and rivalry primed it.